Good morning and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Now, in our last lecture, we studied about the nervous system, the functioning of the brain, as well as a brief introduction to nerve cells or neurons. In today's lecture, we will be studying all about Leonardo da Vinci, who was a great contributor to the field of science. Apart from that, we will be studying the sense organs. These sense organs include the eyes, the nose, the tongue, and the skin. You must have seen this lady's painting at many places, like internet, books, or many other videos, and whatever you guys see. You all know that she is very famous, and this painting is basically known as Mona Lisa, and it is one of the world's most famous and favorite paintings of all the times. It was painted sometime between 1503 and 1519 by a very famous artist and a scientist also, Leonardo da Vinci. We would be studying Leonardo da Vinci's contribution to the field of science in the upcoming topic. Now, the mysterious smile on the lady's face in this painting have actually made this painting a source of fascination. Moving on to our very first topic, that is Leonardo da Vinci. Now, Leonardo da Vinci was born in a very small village of Italy in the year 1452. He was one of the greatest painters of all the time and a brilliant scientist. He drew more than 200 detailed and accurate drawings of the parts of the human body and the human internal organs, as shown in this picture. You can see for yourself the picture of the skull and the internal parts of the body. These are being drawn by Leonardo da Vinci. Now, moving towards our next topic, that is the sense organs. Well, the sense organs actually helps you to connect to the outside world. Now, the sense organs are the body organs by which the humans are able to see, smell, hear, taste, and touch or feel. The 5 sense organs are the pair of eyes from which we can see, a nose through which we can smell things, pair of ears through which we hear, a tongue that is used for tasting, and skin which is used for touching or feeling. Now, moving on towards the very first sense organ that we will be discussing are the pair of eyes. Well, you all know where the eyes are situated, how they look, and what is the purpose of the eyes. In the next slide, we will be discussing a little bit in detail the structure of the eyes. Over here, as you can see, the eyes are set in the sockets in the skull. They are protected by the bones in the skull and the eyelids of the skin. Well, do you know what is the function of the eyelids? When you blink, because of these eyelids, it is actually you are protecting your eye from the dust, from like all the harmful particles that might harm your eyes. Now, let's discuss the internal structure of the eye. As you can see here, this is basically your colored part of the eye, and it is known as iris. See in this picture, this is the color part, and this is known as the iris. After that, we have the pupil here. Well, the pupil is a hole in the center of the iris which allows light to enter your eye. Okay, after that we have this transparent side. This is known as cornea, that actually covers, protects iris, pupil, and other inner parts of the eye. Now, moving towards the lens. Well, the lens actually focuses the picture on a screen that is called the retina. After that, we have the optic nerves here. These optic nerves, whatever the image is formed here by the retina, these optic nerves takes that image to the brain. With this, we end up our session here. I want you all to kindly solve the worksheet attached with the video. If you have any questions related, feel free to ask. Thank you so very much for listening. Take care and Allah Hafiz.